Moving to a model-based enterprise means replacing 2D drawings by 3D annotated models mainly, plus a lot of other functionalities listed here. Let's load a large assembly full of 3D annotations. So of course you can select parts in the graphic scene, and you can activate all these PMI views which replace the section views or whatever you know from 2D drawings. Important thing when working with assemblies is, for instance, searching and filtering by either names or, for instance, by colors. There's OEMs who really recommend to use 3D View Station for PMI usage. So another example is let's load a single part with tons of PMIs and PMI views. So these PMI views are auto-zoomed. Many PMI views do not really show exactly what they should show. We also support automatically rotating the PMIs in a way that they will be always readable, and we show the association between PMIs and features in both directions. We also have a PMI tree where all the PMI information is grouped for easier access, but they also show up in the structured tree. Now, there's still companies who would like to use their legacy processes working more or less with 2D. So 3D View Station allows, first of all, read 3D annotated models, or even lets you add your own annotations, like some dimensions here, an angle, or let's add a distance between two circle axes. Yeah, and for those who really prefer to work more the 2D way, you can display and render the model in a way that it looks like a 2D drawing. So if we go into illustration mode, from here we are allowed to save as, means exporting into various 2D file formats. Here's a nice selection. Or to copy it to clipboard and then paste it into any application you would like to use. That's it. Have fun with working with 3D View Station.